Welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a whip or pan transition. All you need for this is two clips. One clip that starts by showing an object or landscape, then whips to one side. Then the second clip needs to start with another whip going in the same direction, then showing another or the same landscape. Okay, so for our first one, we're going to start by importing our clips. So I'll put these both in. Just unlink them by right clicking, unlink, so we can get rid of our audio. We want to then crop it down to the right size. We pretty much want them so it looks like one continuous movement like this. Perfect. Then we want to quickly come over here, click new item, add an adjustment layer, click OK, and we want to place that around about in the middle of these two, just above it. We can see, we want to see where the whip begins. So let's say here, play it, whips, and then we want to just stop about here. So put that to size, we want to click on editing, go to effects, and we want to search directional blur and put that onto the adjustment layer. Direction we want to change to 90. We want to come to the middle of it, click on the little time clock thing, and we want to change this to about 150. We want to go to the start of the adjustment layer, change it to 0, go to the end of the adjustment layer, and also change it to 0. And now we can play this back, and there we go. One last thing. Okay, so we've got I just imported the audio file. We just want to chuck it down here. I'm going to change mine to 75%. Drag this to somewhere fit, just roughly, and we'll see how it looks. It's pretty good. I'm just going to audio gain and put it down by, let's say, 20. That's better, so it's not so in your face kind of thing, it's just quiet. And there we go. So now I've just come to a quick color correction. And here's that video.
Missing someone.